In this video, I'm going to be discussing threadless jewellery. We absolutely love threadless jewellery because it's user-friendly and highly durable. As long as you're not spinning your attachment, you do not need to check this. It is really a set and forget system. You do need to tension set your jewellery every now and then if you have taken it in and out though. So the barbell itself has a smooth passage on the inside. I'm going to use a taper to show you that connection. So a jewellery attachment will have that loose connection as well, which means that we need to create tension in our attachment. With our attachment, we slip this halfway down inside and then we bend. I'm not going to do that with this because these are our pieces for clients. So we tension set this when we send any jewellery online and for clients in store. To show you with this piece, to release, you pull one end and pull the other. To fit, once you have your bend, you simply push together and you'll hear a little click. This style often makes people go, how does it hold? So let me show you in a clear tube. If we imagine this to be the inside of our barbell, and we imagine this to be the pin on the attachment, we enter the pin halfway down, we place a bend, and then we push that into place. The foot and the elbow make contact with the wall shaft, and this is what creates our durable tension set. If we spin that though, we will loosen that tension, and this is what's going to create a weakening of tension and loss of jewellery. To check your jewellery for tightness, you can lightly tug at the front by holding the back, holding the front, and lightly tug. If there's no give, leave your jewellery alone. If your jewellery gives, you may need to tension set. To do that, you will remove your piece. This may mean that you need to remove your barbell as well if you do not have a spare barbell. If you're going to remove your barbell at any point, whether it's to change your jewellery or to re-tension set, you need to use a taper. A taper slips inside and allows you to slip your jewellery out and then slip your jewellery back in without losing your piercing passage. It means no body fluid's going to accumulate inside the passage either, which would then later prevent you from having your jewellery fit nice and secure and all the way on properly. Tapers can be purchased at our online store at www.cherrycore.com.au and should always be used with all jewellery changeovers. We use them in store and you can use them at home. We have disposable or reusable.